Editing a contact record is a central hub of information in Top Producer. As you develop relationship and follow up with your contacts in your database, it is important to update the information in our record and add anything new information you received. To begin with, let us open a contact record. Contact record is divided into two different areas. The header, which contains a summary of information and action you can perform, and then the details area, which has several tabs, each with functions and information to edit. Summary tab contains several areas. On the left, notes section, and on the right, you can schedule links, appointment or calls, wrap up completed activities, view social media posts, track market snapshots. The lead info tab shows information relevant if this contact is or was a lead. Lead management, here you can know what type of lead they are and the source, where they came from. Lead qualification, your impression of the lead and if they're really ready to transact. Buyer preferences, way to keep track of the property. Contact details tab contains details of the contact name, assigned contact types, work, and contact information. Marketing section is the marketing salutation used by Top Producer when you perform mail out portal. Now let us switch to edit mode. From here, you can add new or change existing information. Note that the primary contact method option, this determines which contact information applies in contact list and summaries throughout Top Producer. So when finished making changes, please click Save Contact Details. Then click the contact property address to edit the information. There are three sub-tabs: Property Address, Property Details, and Tenants. On the right, there are icons for quality, for quickly creating and listing for property, closing, deleting a property. Please note that if you delete a property that has listing and closing associated to it, the listing will also be deleted. If you wanted to add a property, please click the lower button which says Add Property and then you can update. Then for the family and friends, you can also add information of your families and your friends or the business associates. For the activities, you can also open or edit an activities in this part, or in the last part, perform actions such as send an email, task, click when done, or delete. And then by default, the report shows an incomplete data, but just scroll down and it will have click this to complete and it will show the completed task that you've already done. And if you wanted to select an action plan, just click the action plan and then choose which action plan you wanted and then date you wanted to start the action plan. And then click save. In this area, you can see the action plan associated with each activity. For the listing and closing, in this panel, it shows the listing and closing associated in these properties. So if you wanted to add a listing, you just click here or just add the address. And in this part is the photos. So you can manage your photos, or you wanted to add photos in here, just click here and then select and then browse on your computer and then you can open and then save. Over the picture, you can either edit the picture or